Here's Leo in his crib. Leo, hi. What are you doing? What are you doing, my boy? Yeah, he's in here looking at his little sheep, his chickens. He's looking at them right now. Hi. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Hmm? You're looking at those chickens and sheep? Making sure they don't go anywhere. Huh? Yeah.